Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCERT Mitra. So today we are going to discuss another new chapter. Perhaps you know perhaps you can see in my background that is the energy and power resources. Before starting this chapter, we want to discuss about the what is resources, what is resource, and what is power resources and energy resources. That should be divided. Okay. So power resources, energy resource. Today we have to going to know. We are going to discuss. First thing, the what is a resource. Okay. So resource, what is that can you can say that satisfy your needs, that is called the resource. This concept firstly you have to take. Okay, a resource is something that can be used satisfy human wants such as the air, water and forest and different kind of, this is the natural resource. Okay, so resource means that can that have to some utility and the you can say the value. Without utility and value, that cannot be said, that cannot be said as a resource, that cannot be considered as a resource. If you consider that your pen, okay, so your pen now this time you're writing but there is no ink, so that time this is not used and as well as the value, so that time it is called the that time you cannot call that is a resource. So always resource some property or resource some you can say the character must be there, or you can say the dignity must be there, that is the utility and value. Without utility and value you cannot say anything into resources. Perhaps you can know that is the resource in that regard, that the resource whatever around us, the number of resources you can find on that surface. Before 100 years or 200 years, uranium or thorium, there was no use because we don't know the utility of the uranium and thorium. But now this time, with the use of the modern technology, somehow we already made, or we will already set up the nuclear power plants, and by this we are getting the electricity. So that's why it is called the resource. Okay, so whenever you know the one thing or one you can say the resource, their utility and value, so that time it is called the resources. Okay, so this thing we have to resource in this and this chapter we are going to discuss or going to look in the form of the get the energy, means number of resources you can find over there, and this energy and how they provide to us the energy, that we have to discuss. Energy resources are a very vital and important things, perhaps you know, as they are that needed to the produce and heat and electricity. So coal, okay, then come to the uranium, thorium, okay, then diesel, okay, petroleum. So these are provide the you can say the energy. So that's why it is called heat and energy, that's why it is called the resources. Move things and maintain the life skill also, this is called the, and from cooking and food to flying aeroplanes, all these things, all human activities and need energy, and our consumption of energy has grown, I can say this, steadily. So slow, day by day we are using these resources in different purpose, and more time you spend the technology will technology will develop, and we can acquire, we can obtain the more and more resource from the environment. That thing we have to understand. Okay, so with the population of the earth increasing stably and population are increasing, and more population needs the more you can see the energy and more use of the energy, and that can you can see the create a demand on us, and we consume the you can see the we consume the resources. Okay, this thing we have to understand. Second thing perhaps you can know, that is the sources of energy. What are the sources of energy? There are many sources of energy, such as the wood, coal, petroleum, water. So these are the sources. Woods, okay, this is the traditional or you can say conventional. Coal, petroleum, okay, then water. From water we get what? We get the hydroelectric power, natural gas, nuclear fusion. Okay, so all these things we are getting. So these are also comes from the fossil fuels, the petroleum fuel, or you can say the petroleum fuel that is come from the fossil fuel. Okay, fossil fuel means the where the you can say the most of the petroleums or the natural gas, or you can say the coal, are in the fossils. Okay, such as the coal, petroleum, natural gas is the example. So perhaps you have to know the fossil fuel. These are the example. If the question come what is the example of the fossil fuel, so that time you can give it. Okay, the fossil fuels are the organic substances. So these are the organic, means that these are made up from the animals or the plants. Coal we can get we obtain from the you can say the what that are plants, okay, or vegetation somehow that was buried under the earth surface, and we got it. Okay, so this thing we have to understand a lot. Second thing here, you can see that they are made from the remains of the plants and animals. We already discussed depth in the inside of the earth, and this is the natural occurrence. Millions of years when this keep in the earth surface, and due to the heat and pressure, these two things converted anything in the new substances. So in the millions years back, the plants or the vegetation cover or the animals are buried under the earth surface, and after that converted into coal, okay, or the petroleum. So this is the natural occurrence. In lab, anywhere you cannot make, you cannot produce the coal, okay, in artificial manner. You cannot produce the petroleum in artificial manner. That is the natural occurrence. Okay, so this thing, on the basis of this, we can divide the our resources. One is non-renewable resource, another is renewable resources. Non-renewable resource, always you remember, that is the coal, petroleum, okay, natural gas. This is the non-renewable resources. Once you just burn, so that time you it is the exhaustible, okay. Once you burn, you cannot get returned. So that's why in that regard, these resources are very, very much important. So this thing we have to understand, what are the type of the non-renewable resources. Again, you cannot recycle it. Again, once you burn, so you cannot return it. So that's why it is called the non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, what are the wind, solar energy, tidal energy. So these are considered as the renewable resources. Okay, renewable resources, you can say this can be renewed again and again. You can obtain the energy from this. And always remember, this is unlimited on our earth surface. Non-renewable resources is always you can see the unlimited on the earth surface, but the non-renewable resources is limited in quantity. Okay, limited, it is limited. Once you burn, means after 200, 300, or you can say the perhaps 300 years, you cannot get the petroleum, coal. Okay, so that's why this is called the non-renewable resources. But the renewable resources, what? Renewable resources, that's you can renew again and again. So that's why it is called the renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Like example, petroleum, you can say the wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy. So these are called the renewable resources. Okay, so this thing, and always remember that the non-renewable resources, always you can say that create the pollution. Okay, polluting, that create the emission, the pollution, or the emission emits the some of the gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, okay, sulfur dioxide, methane, all the gas released by this the non-renewable resources, the coal, okay, petroleum. If you burn the coal, if you burn the petroleum, so that time what happened? This type of, you can say you can get the environment get polluted. Okay, so in the case of the renewable resources like solar energy, like wind energy, like you can say the tidal energy, that they never create any type of pollution on the environment. Okay, so this thing we have to understand. In next video, we will discuss about what are the non-renewable resources and what is the role and how can get the power from this and non-renewable resources and renewable resources. Okay, all these things we have to discuss one by one. Thank you for watching this video.